So we are looking at partly cloudy skies as we move into tonight. So there will be some breaks in the clouds, but you also want to make sure that you go more to a remote area. City lights can impact viewing. And then also with that, we are at the southern edge of where the northern lights could be visible. So that may play a factor, but you may get lucky. Just take a look at the sky after sunset, probably about 2 hours or so after sunset, and especially as you get closer to midnight, looking at some better viewing. About 44 as we move into tonight. We aren't going to see very cold temperatures in the overnight hours, which is some good news as we talk more about our Wallison weekend weather trivia. How many times has it snowed on Halloween in Milwaukee? Yes, it has snowed in Milwaukee on Halloween. The question is it 8, 4, 2, or 1? Well, it has snowed 4 times on Halloween in Milwaukee. The most recent time in 2019, so just 2 years ago, where we picked up nearly 5.5 inches of snow. Thankfully, we're not going to see that by any means this year. Not even going to see any rain for Halloween as we move into tomorrow. This storm system is working its way off to the east. We are still going to see a little bit of drizzle potentially this morning, though more of us are just looking at some clouds hanging around, and the clouds will continue to move in from the northeast. Again, not going to rule out some pockets of drizzle or sprinkles. Otherwise, as we get later into today, looking at partly cloudy skies, some great weather this afternoon and this evening if you're trick-or-treating or for any of your Halloween festivities. And then as we move into the overnight hours, again, hoping to look at it to be more like this. So just a couple of clouds through the area. That will allow us to be able to see the northern lights a bit better. But of course, we'll have to pay attention and see if we are able to see that. A cool sight starting to get a view of the first light here. We are looking at sunrise is still about 45 minutes from now. Mild start temperature-wise to the day, though. We're at 54 degrees. We're not going to see a big warm up, but temperatures will be mild, looking at upper 50s near 60 degrees. Still a bit breezy, winds out of the north 10 to 15, and could have some gusts up to about 20 miles per hour today. As we move into tomorrow, looking at a high of about 54, it is going to be windier. We are going to see gusts closer to about 30 miles per hour, but breaking things down for trick-or-treating tomorrow, looking at some nice conditions for trick-or-treaters. If you're trick-or-treating tomorrow, looking at temperatures mainly in the 50s before eventually cooling into the upper 40s. But more importantly, it's going to be dry. So some nice weather expected again for trick-or-treating tomorrow and also even trick-or-treating this evening. As you take a look at your forecast as we move into next week, temperatures will be into the 40s for the start of November. So yes, some colder air moving in, and we will be starting off the mornings close to freezing quite a few mornings.